welcome back in the maths. Now we will continue with the last method, that is Urdhva Tiryaka Vyam method. Here we have seen in this method the multiplication of 2 by 2 digits, 3 by 3 digits. Now we will see 4 by 4 digits, multiplication of 4 by 4 digits. Just write down like this. Now slowly, steadily concentrate on each and everything what I am going to say. Just first, what you call Urdhva Tiryaka Vyam, vertically and crosswise. Again, listen, vertically and crosswise. Now, first we will see these two digits, that is 9 multiplied by 0, right? Second, 8 into 0, 8 into 0 and 9 into 9, addition of that. Then we will take 3 digits, 4 into 0, 3 into 9 and 8 into 9, right? Now next we have the 4 digits, so crosswise and addition, crosswise multiplication and addition. 1 multiplied by 0, 1 multiplied by 9, add 4 multiplied by 9 and 3 multiplied by 8. Again, we are closing this. We are leaving last digit now and we are taking first 3 digits of each. So 1 into 9, 1 into 8 and 4 into 3, the addition of that. Then we are leaving 2 digits. So it comes 1 into 3 plus 1 into 4 slash again first digit, that is 1 into 1. Again you see what we have done. First last digit 9 into 0. Then last 2 digits 8 into 0 plus 9 into 9. Then last 3 digits 4 into 0, 3 into 9 and 8 into 9. And again all 4 digits 1 into 0, 1 into 9 plus 4 into 9 plus 3 into 8. Clear? Now again we are leaving last digit. First 3 digits of both we are taking. 1 into 9 plus 1 into 8 plus 4 into 3, right? Now we are leaving 2 digits of each. And first 2 digits we are taking. 1 into 3 plus 1 into 4. We are leaving 3 digits, remaining 1 into 1. Clear? Now we will go to the next step. 9 into 0, that is 0. 8 into 0, that is 0. And 9 into 9, that is 81. The 81 here, 81, 1 we are written in the middle and 8 at the bottom of the slash. Then next step, 4 into 0, 0. 3 into 9, 27. 8 into 9, 72. Right? Again, 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 9, 9. 4 into 9, 36. 3 into 8, 24. Again, 1 into 9, 9. 1 into 8, 8. 4 into 3, 12. Right? Then 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 4, 4. And again 1 into 1, 1. Clear here? Now we will go to the next step. Here 0 we are written like that as it is. 81 as it is. Addition of 27 plus 72, it comes to be 99. So 9 at the bottom of the slash and 9 in the middle. Then 9 plus 36 plus 24, that is comes to be 29. So 9 in the middle and 2 are at the bottom of the slash. 9 plus 12 plus 12, that is 29. So we have written 9 at the middle and 2 at the bottom. Then 3 plus 4, 7. And 1 as it is. Again we will see 0, 81 we are written like as it is. Then 27 plus 72, 99. 9 at the bottom of the slash and 9 at the middle. Then 9 plus 36 plus 24, it comes to be 69. That is 9 in the middle and 6 at the bottom of the slash. Then 9 plus 8 plus 12, that is 29. 9 at the middle, 2 at the bottom. Then 3 plus 4, 7 and 1 as it is. From here we will write the answer directly. Just see 0 as it is, 1 as it is, 8 carried forward to 9 comes to be 17. So 7 we are written here and 1 added into the 9. So it becomes 10. So 10 plus 9, that is 19. So 1 carries forward to 6, it becomes 7. 7 plus 9, that is 16. So 6 comes here and 1 comes here, so it becomes 3. So 7 plus 3, that is 10. So 0 comes here and 1 goes to 1, adding it becomes 2. So our answer is 2069710. Now we have seen in Urdu Dirgham methods the multiplication of 2 by 2 digits, multiplication of 2 by 3 digits, multiplication of 4 by 4 digits, and also we can do the examples like this also. 239 into 45. But here, what we have to do? You have to write here 0. And then you can solve the example with this method. Or if we want to multiply 4565 into 22, then also you have to write 2 zeros here and carry out the procedure as you have studied in this method. In the same way, if you want to multiply 45 by 9, write 0. Then you can carry out any type of examples with this method. And for continuing with the multiplication of another method in the next episode, kindly subscribe and share this channel. Thanks.